Step 1. After removing the old drain plate, make sure the new Purleve drain plate will work with the current urinal. Step 2. Be sure the Purleve drain plate is seated directly in the center of the drain, and then use the 2 screws provided in your packaging to screw the drain plate into the drain itself. Step 3. After tightening the screws down, the Purleve drain insert will be ready for use with or without the Purleve BioPure or Flex screen. Please note that once you install your Purleve drain insert into your urinal, this can be used in conjunction with the Purleve screen, the Purleve BioPure system, or both at the same time. When using the Purleve Flex screen, simply remove the inner P in the center of the Purleve Flex screen and then place it on top of your Purleve drain plate as shown. When using the Purleve drain insert with the BioPure, simply place it on top of the drain insert and rotate clockwise to tighten. When installing the Purleve Flex screen with the BioPure kit, simply remove the center P from the Purleve Flex screen and place it on top of the Purleve drain insert, followed by screwing on the BioPure kit clockwise onto the center drain.